Alía, déjalo.
Dame la llave, mejor ven, dame un taxi, Dios. Dame la llave. Sobrinito. Cuidado, súbete. Súbete. Vámonos.
Damn.
You got it on body cam?
Damn. Damn.
I got it all on body cam.
Please move along.
Okay, no problem.
Team, please move
Bro, I
along.
can look, bro. I ain't messing. Listen, I'm ready to go over there. Hold up. Damn. Bro, I'm not breaking no
Move
laws, bro.
along.
I can sit right here, bro. I can look, dumb. Your dumb ass got popped by a bunch of kids. It's crazy. Yeah.
You're gonna have to move along further away.
Bro,
It's
no,
your
I'm
time frame
not,
right
bro.
now.
I'm good right here, dummy. I'm not breaking no laws, bro. You ain't ready to try to debo me from the spot, dummy.
It's not a parking lot right there, first of all. There's no line for
So,
parking.
look, damn, that's them niggas.
Hey, Joseph, Tony did set a feint. I said Tony did set to respawn back to PD. Yeah, just respawn because he take you out, so he said to respawn.
Don't be around there for me. Don't.
Yeah, I did. I did post it. I posted for 2 right along. No, it's supposed to be in the ride alongs. So you have to check inside the ride alongs to see.
He logged Pete?
But yeah, go ahead and respawn.
Oh, never mind. I see him.
You want him, Tata? I don't need. Oh, you logged
Oh,
off.
shit.
Forget. Do a green book on him.